So who's this? This is stir fry.
Who's this? This is stir fry.
Stir fry?
He's really soft. I can't believe I'm holding him.
You can't believe you're holding him?
Yeah.
He's got big, isn't he?
Yeah.
What colour is he?
Um,
Don't look scared, he won't hurt you.
he's a bit yellow, a bit... don't know.
Is he saying hello to you?
Hello?
Say hello, stir fry. God, look at his little wings there. He's lovely, isn't he?
Let's put him back in his nest box.
Yeah? Say bye-bye then.
Bye.
Now look at me. Say goodbye. Are you scared of him?
No.
Oh, he's a lovely little baby, aren't you?
Uncle Lee, put him back in his
Okay.
nest box.
Who's this one, Harvey?
Who's this one? Stir fry.
No, this is Pancake.
Oh, I thought it was stir fry.
No, you just held stir fry, didn't you? What colour's Pancake?
White.
He's
That's
white,
it.
isn't he? Or she? We don't know yet. He's a little bit smaller, isn't he, than Pancake? Stir fry. Oh, he likes you too. Look.
There you go, Uncle Lee.
Do you like him? Always wiggling about, isn't he? So this is, who is this one?
Pancake.
Pancake. That's it. Always having a little explore. Look.
Here you go, Uncle Lee.
Okay, done.